Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. It already powers our smartphones, recommends our entertainment, and guides our cars. AI promises a future of incredible advancements, from personalized medicine to self-driving vehicles. But this technological revolution has a dark side, one that we must confront head-on. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they raise profound ethical and societal questions. We are on the cusp of creating machines with cognitive abilities that rival and may eventually surpass our own. This raises the unsettling prospect of machines making decisions that impact our lives in ways we cannot fully comprehend or control. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we are actively shaping through our choices today. We must ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. This requires a clear-eyed understanding of the potential risks and a commitment to ethical AI development and use. One of the most immediate concerns about AI is its impact on the job market. AI-powered automation is already displacing workers across various sectors, from manufacturing and transportation to customer service and finance. As AI technology advances, it will likely automate even more complex jobs, potentially leading to widespread unemployment and social upheaval. The fear of machines taking over human jobs is not new. Throughout history, technological advancements have often led to shifts in the labor market. However, the pace and scale of AI-driven automation are unprecedented, raising concerns about the ability of workers to adapt and find new employment opportunities. This is not to say that AI will inevitably lead to mass unemployment. AI also has the potential to create new jobs and industries that we can't even imagine today. However, it is crucial that we prepare for these changes by investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered economy. AI is not just transforming the world of work, it's also eroding our privacy. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to learn and make decisions. This data is often collected without our explicit consent or even our knowledge, through ubiquitous sensors, facial recognition software, and online tracking technologies. The proliferation of AI-powered surveillance systems raises serious concerns about the erosion of privacy and civil liberties. Governments and corporations are increasingly using AI to monitor citizens, track their movements, and predict their behavior. This constant surveillance can have a chilling effect on freedom of expression and assembly, as people become hesitant to speak out or engage in activities that might be deemed suspicious by AI algorithms. Moreover, the data collected by AI systems can be used to manipulate and exploit us. By analyzing our online behavior, our purchasing habits, and even our facial expressions, AI systems can build detailed profiles of our personalities, preferences, and vulnerabilities. This information can then be used to target us with personalized advertising, sway our opinions, or even influence our votes. Section 4. The bias within: how AI learns to discriminate. Another concerning aspect of AI is its susceptibility to bias. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the AI systems themselves will inherit and perpetuate those biases. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes, particularly for marginalized and underrepresented groups. For example, facial recognition systems trained on datasets primarily composed of white faces have been shown to be less accurate at identifying people of color. Similarly, AI-powered hiring tools trained on historical hiring data that reflects gender bias may unfairly disadvantage female applicants. These biases can have real-world consequences, perpetuating existing inequalities and undermining fairness and justice. It is crucial that we develop mechanisms to identify and mitigate bias in AI systems, ensuring that they are fair, transparent, and accountable. This requires careful attention to the data used to train AI systems, as well as ongoing monitoring and evaluation of their performance. Section 5. The specter of superintelligence. Perhaps the most profound and unsettling question raised by AI is the possibility of superintelligence. The emergence of AI systems that surpass human intelligence in all respects. While this prospect may seem like science fiction, many experts believe it is a real possibility within this century. The development of superintelligence could have profound implications for humanity. On the one hand, it could lead to unprecedented advancements in science, technology, and medicine, potentially solving some of the world's most pressing problems. On the other hand, it could pose an existential threat to humanity, as superintelligent AI systems might not share our values or goals, and could potentially act in ways that are detrimental to our interests. Section 6. The ethical imperative. The development and deployment of AI present us with a profound ethical imperative. We must ensure that AI is aligned with human values, respects human rights, and serves the common good. This requires a fundamental shift in perspective, from viewing AI as a purely technological challenge to recognizing its profound social, ethical, and philosophical dimensions. We need to develop a robust ethical framework for AI, one that guides research and development, informs policy decisions, and ensures that AI is used responsibly and ethically. This framework should be grounded in fundamental human values such as dignity, autonomy, fairness, and well-being. Furthermore, we need to foster a global dialogue on the future of AI, involving not just technologists and policymakers but also ethicists, philosophers, social scientists, and the general public. This dialogue should address the ethical challenges posed by AI, explore different visions for the future, and help shape a collective understanding of how to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. Section 7. Towards a human-centered AI future. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we are actively shaping through our choices today. We have a responsibility to steer the development and deployment of AI in a direction that benefits humanity, respects our values, and safeguards our future. This requires a multi-pronged approach. We need to invest in AI research that prioritizes human well-being, develop robust ethical guidelines and regulations, and foster a global dialogue on the future of AI. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is transparent, accountable, and aligned with human values. The rise of AI presents both unprecedented opportunities and unprecedented challenges. By embracing a human-centered approach to AI, we can harness the transformative power of this technology while mitigating its potential risks. The future of AI is in our hands. Let us work together to ensure that it is a future worthy of our shared humanity.